So, good morning, friends. And even though it's a night time, but I am wishing you a very, very good morning to everyone. Namaskar to everyone. So, good morning means good, more earning. So, good morning stands for good, more earning. Okay. So, from now, we will use this sentence or use these words for making people alive or motivate. So, good morning in every time. So, it's being a night time or evening time or whatever it is, but we will wish everyone good morning. So, friends, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe it or share this link or share this video to with your all teammates and to with your everyone, so that they can get the knowledge of this network marketing field or so-called MLM type of thing. So that they can get the knowledge from this AWPL school channel. So once again, namaskar to everyone and welcome to our AWPL school channel. If you are new on this channel, just subscribe this channel and share this link to everyone, so that everyone can get the knowledge about AWPL or network marketing easily from this channel. Okay. So guys, today we are going to start a series of or you can say a set of videos through which you can get the knowledge of network marketing and knowledge of direct selling and the protocols and the rules and regulations of network marketing. So today we are going to discuss some basic things of network marketing. Or before discussing about network marketing, we will discuss about its what are the requirements to do network marketing and what is network marketing, why we have to join network marketing, or why we have to start with this particular field. Because with this field only our India can become a very strong nation economically or mentally, or you can say spiritually as well. So in this pandemic situation, everyone knows that this life is going to be tougher day by day. So everyone is losing their jobs, everyone is losing their lives or their mindsets, everything. So people have lost their jobs, people have lost their families and many things. So everyone is facing, everyone is facing many too many things, many hardships are there. But in this situation, in this pandemic situation, our country is going through a very tough situation in the terms of financial crisis or economical degradement, or anything you can say, unemployment. So our country have many too many educated unemployed youths. So our country has become a working poor nation. So working poor nation, or you can say an a state or district is having more and more unemployed educated youth. So before we are going to discuss it on this network marketing thing, so first we have to think that what is network marketing, why is network marketing, why we have to join this field, and what are the aspects of this network marketing. And then afterwards we will discuss about what are the ingredients which are required to do this network marketing. So first thing, a very first thing which I would like to say, that in this situation, in this particular situation, in this pandemic situation, as I have already said, our India or our nation requires a powerhouse or a source from where people can grow rich from the zero level to sky high level. So I think that with this industry, with this MLM industry, a particular per head, per person, or per capita you can say, or the India is facing this issue like GDP, like per capita income. So like in India, per capita income is for per head, that is 10,000 rupees per month for per head. So this is the average earning of a particular person from a family. So it's a 10,000 rupees per month in this current situation. So India is a developing country, not developed country. So many countries are there like USA, China, Israel. or many countries are there, they are developed countries. So but India is still having ing at the end of the developing like word. So in this situation I would like to say that in India, if India wants to grow up, or India as a nation, if we can help India to grow, or we can help Indian citizen or Indian nation to grow with the help of network marketing or MLM, so that we can build a close compact bonding with the people of India, and with this help our India can grow, or our India can become a very strongest nation in the terms of economy, in the terms of mental fitness, or anything you can say. So with the help of network marketing, or with the help of multi-level marketing or direct selling, or with the help of Federation of Direct Selling Association or Indian Direct Selling Association, so we can grow rich, or our India can grow. So India is a powerful country and India is a powerful nation, no doubt about that. India is a definitely a very powerful nation and powerful country. But in this situation, India is going through a very economic crisis is there, and the health of people are not very good. So in this COVID situation, everyone is facing. So three major aspects are there. People are not getting job. People have been fired from their job, and the health of country, or health of a nation, or health of a particular person is not well. So our India is getting very degraded in the terms of health and wealth. So first we have to join this multi-level marketing field, because we have to grow rich and we have to do something great thing in our life. So we have to understand this, and then afterwards we can prepared with our mind that we have to do something, a great thing or big thing from this particular multi-level marketing field. So why is clear right now, or why is clear that we have to do something big, and we have to do something big in the terms of name, fame, or money freedom, or we have to become a very economically strong with our bank balance, or with our mental abilities. So firstly I would like to say that we have to join this multi-level marketing field because of our education, or because we can learn many things, too many things from this field, in the terms of personality development, speaking skills, negotiation skills, objection handling skills, and many things are there. So multi-level marketing is going to give you a many perks, like you can having a very nice foreign trips, as well as you can earn a very nice pretty much earning from this field. So at last I will say about myself, I'll tell you about myself, that what earning I have got from this field. So okay, so we will talk about what is network marketing, why we have to join this, and why should we have to join this, and why should we have to start work urgently in this field. So till now we have talked about our nation is going through very much crisis things, and very soon we have to join this MLM field, so that we can grow rich and we can grow our country rich in the terms of economical development, mental development, and in the terms of bonding, friendship, and relationships. Okay, fine. So next we will discuss about, okay friends, so this is our first English training video. So you can share this link to everyone, so that people can get the idea about network marketing, what actual network marketing is, and what we have to understand in this field, and then how we have to work on it. So first point I would like to say that what is network marketing. So network marketing is nothing but, network marketing is a place from where we can grow rich, from where we can learn things, from where we can make new relationships of friendships and all. So in network marketing we have to form a team, we have to create a team, so that people can work for us and we can also help them to grow rich. So in this field, particularly, like you can say that everyone is working for everyone. Everyone is working for everyone. So everybody is working for their dreams. Everyone is chasing their dreams. Everyone is going to the top notch of this field so that they can grow rich, so that they can do something for their family, so that they can do something for their family, future, financial security. As I said, this is the first video for the training knowledge about why we have to do network marketing and what actual network marketing is. So in second part or third part, I will tell you about how to do this business and what are the aspects of this business and what are the ingredients which we required to do this business. Because before explaining, before okay, so before explaining all those stuffs, we have to think that why should I go for this field? Why should I start to this field? Because if we are not clear that where we have to go, where we have to reach, so then there is no point that why I have to start this work or why should I start this work. So we have to keep it clean and keep it sure that why should I do this business or why should I start this business. So this is a very clear cut thing for this field to start. So in this network marketing thing or in this network marketing field, people are working for their team, people are working for their groups, and everyone is working for everyone. So everybody is getting help from everyone. So we can get mentor over here, we can get help in our life, in our personal problems, or we can get a help from our uplines, or we can get a financial knowledge from this field. So how to manage money, how to manage financial things, and how to get a business study or business related things from this field. So we will discuss about it. So from this network marketing field, you can get money freedom, time freedom, name, fame, luxury lifestyle, luxury houses, luxury cars, and whatever you want. Or you can get a family security as well from this field. So that's why we have to join this network marketing. So network marketing, we can get all these stuffs from one place. It's a one-stop solution for everything. It's just a one-stop solution for every problem and everything. So we have to do this business and we have to join this business as soon as possible. So let us talk about second point, and that is why should we do this business? Why we should go for this business? See, in this time, our India is going through a very tough situation. Pandemic situation is there. Everybody is losing their jobs, and we are thinking that in this era, if we are going to a school and if we are going to a college, and our parents are like, just do a school, just do a college, and then you have to do a job. So friends, I would like to tell you that it's a very sad thing. If you are working for 40 by 40, it's a rule. 40/40, it's a rule. If you are working for 8 hours per day for 5 days, it will come around 40 hours a week. A 2 days holiday. If you are getting 2 days holiday and if you are working 8 hours per day, so it will around 40 hours a week. And you are working that 40 hours week for 40 years. So it's a 40 by 40 rule in this corporate sector. If you are working for 40 hours a week for 40 years, so you'll get nothing. Yes, that is true that you'll get a designation or you'll get a post or you'll get a hike in your salary. But that is a very slow process. And then afterwards, we are just sitting idle and doing nothing. We can't reach anywhere. So that's a very, very big issue, and that's a very major issue. See, Indian education pattern and Indian education system has nothing to do with business studies and business rules and regulations and financial education. And that's why everyone is focusing for government job, and government job and private jobs. Job is fine, job is nice. Job is nice, very nice thing. No issues at all. I am also from a government job employee family. So I'm also doing a job, but from job we can't reach anywhere, or we can't become rich. So this is the issue. So if we are doing job, and then afterwards our kids will be there, they will also search for a job. So what the new thing we have did in our life? Tell me. So we have to think right now. We have to start this business right now for our next generation development, and for the development of our mind, and for the development of our next generation, or for the development of our nation, and for the development of the economical health economical health of our country. So that's why we have to start this business, and that's why we should start this business as soon as possible, because job is like a hand to mouth process. In job we are getting only 20 to 30,000, or max to max 50 to 60,000 rupees at the end of the month. But that salary is not enough for our livelihood, because before 10 years or 20 years, 10,000 rupees is enough for running and household things and household family. But in current situation, 10,000 or 15,000 is nothing for running a family, and running a family of like 3 to 4 people. So how can you expect that in coming few years, like 2025 or 2030, you can run your family with 20,000 or 30,000 rupees? So you have to think, buddy. So you have to think smart. You should have a plan B with you. So before going to join this business, before going to do this business, you have to look about all these aspects. Why we have to do this business, why it's requirement to do this business, why we should go for this business, what are the algorithm of this business, what are the rules and regulations for this business, what are the benefits of this business, what are the perks of this business, what are the consequences of this business, what are the challenges we will face in this business, and what are the requirements, and what are the ingredients, why should we start this business. So these all stuffs and these all things you have to study well. So first you have to be convinced by this business, then only you can convince anyone. So you have to convince by your mind, you have to convince by your heart, you have to convince by yourself, then only you can convince anyone, right? So you have to convince your mind by all this set of things. All these things you have to search in your mind, and you have to analyze, and you have to think. So friends, the main thing is that doing a network marketing and joining a network marketing, and you are earning in a network marketing, that is not a big issue, and that is not a big thing. If you have joined any network marketing, that is fine. If you are earning a very pretty much amount in network marketing, that is also fine. But what are the aspects and what are the ethics of network marketing, what are the blessings of network marketing? You have to feel it, you have to analyze it, because some algorithms are there. YouTube has its own algorithm, Facebook has its own algorithm, so network marketing also have its own algorithm. So you have to search out, and you have to research and develop all these algorithms, and you have to feel that. Network marketing is not a business of product selling. Network marketing is not a business of joining. Network marketing is not a business of making members or join too many members. Network marketing is a business of friendship. Network marketing is a business of leadership. Network marketing is a business of change. Network marketing is a business of development. Network marketing is a business of entrepreneurship. So from network marketing business, you can get all these stuffs and all these things. Okay. So as I said, you have to come out of the box or the cubicle of your job. After that, you have to acquire a business mentality or business mindset that I have to do a business. I have to set up a business, because India is a country where parents doesn't like many parents doesn't like business. Every parents, each and everyone only thinks about the government job and government job. But tell me one thing, I will tell you a recent data which I have gone through. In per 3 minutes, 9,900 kids are taking birth. 9,900 children are taking birth. So, in this country, where in 3 minutes newborn babies are taking place, so what will be the GDP of this country? What will be the GDP, and what will be the growth, and what will be the job security and job planning of this country? Tell me. So, my question is clear to everyone. So, in per 3 minutes, 9,900 babies are taking birth. Newborn babies are taking birth. So, in one day or in 24 hours, you can calculate how many babies are taking birth. So, in this country, tell me one thing, too many jobs are there or not? Too many government jobs are there or not? Too many companies, IT companies are there or not? Tell me. Just ask yourself. Is government is going to pay you huge amount for your job? Is government will take responsibility for giving you job? Where is the job? What will be the future of job? And how many person will fight for that job and acquire that job? You can read many newspaper. Even you can check Hindustan Times or Times Now or anything, any newspaper. You can check over there. If there is a vacancy for only 17% in any government sector job, so for those 17 posts, people are just fill up the form. They are just filling the form like anything, and just they are going anywhere. They can do anything for that 17 posts. But tell me, what will be the probability of getting that job? But our parents are keep on saying like, just try for that job, just try for that job, just try. One day or someday or any day you can get that job. But God knows when we will crack that job. Simply think that only 17 posts are there, and the person applied for that post, they are 17 lakh or 17 crores many times. 17 crore people have applied for that job for only 17 vacancies or 17 posts. How many people can get that job? 17 people can get that job. 17 people can get those job, and that vacancy will be filled out. But what will be the rest? What about the rest persons? Just think wisely, think twisely. So, friends, you have to come out from that job mentality and acquire the business mentality and business setup. And this business is going to create a boom in network marketing. Come out from that 40 ratio, 40 or 40 by 40 time. Working for 40 hours and working for 40 years. So, where you have a chance for do the work in only 4 years, and you can get the money of 40 years in only 4 years. So, why you are not starting this business? So, this is the thing. So, you have to think about all these things, and you have to tell about all these things to your prospect, so that they can, and you have to talk logically with them. If you are talking like logical things, definitely they have to understand your wordings, and they have to understand your language, and they have to give their hands on your hand. That is the thing. So after that, as I said, India is full of working poor people, or you can say India is having many, too many educated, unemployed youth. Quote this sentence or quote this line: educated, unemployed youth. So, what is the meaning of educated, unemployed youth? Educated, unemployed youth means the person who is educated, he has the capability to do everything, but still is not getting the job in right position, or if he is doing job in a company but he is not getting paid like that much amount what he have expected. So educated unemployed youth means a person who is having every knowledge, software engineering knowledge or Excel sheet knowledge or PowerPoint knowledge, every knowledge he has, but still is doing a job in a company from where he is getting only 30 to 35 or 40,000 rupees per month, but his expectation was like he should get 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees per month income. So friend, in this country where the competition is high, jobs are very less, overall pandemic situation is there, so what is rest right now we can do? So, friends, this is a very serious condition. This is a very serious issue. We have to look about it and we have to think about it. That's why I am telling, join this MLM field as soon as possible and share this video to everyone. Share this link to everyone so that your people or your friend or your family circle can get to know about this business, and so that we can create a new nation, a new India with a new business skill set things. So we are not here to make a joining. We are not here to distribute product or selling a product. This is not a business of selling products. This is a business of emotions. This is a business of relationships. This is a business of creating a new India with new emotion and new things and new business mindset. If Indians want to get rich, or if Indians want to do something big in their life, or if Indian wants to get their India in a superpower manner, so India has to come up with a team power, and that only can be happen with network marketing. Many network marketing companies are there. You can join anyone. I'm not telling you about this AWPL or anything. You can join any company. Amway is there, Vestige is there, Modi Care is there, Herbal Life is there. Too many companies are there. Join with any company. Just work for 2 to 3 years. Just work for 2 to 3 years, 4 years. Just know the protocols of this business. Just know the algorithm of this business. Just know the emotions of this business. Just know how to talk with people, how to make bonding with people, how to get the emotions of people, how to convey the things with the people, and then just work in this network marketing and just get success in 2 to 3 years. And that's how network marketing is. Just come up from that job mentality and acquire a business mindset and business mentality. Job is fine, job is nice. I am also doing a job, but from job we can do only hand to mouth thing. We can just survive. We can't become rich. We can't go to any other country for visit, or another country or another luxurious things. We can't do any luxurious things, and we can't lead a life of luxuriousness. From a 8 to 5 hours shift, we can't purchase a BMW or Lamborghini. Are you getting my point? So this is not a matter of getting Jaguar, Mercedes or Audi or Lamborghini. But this is a business of development. This is a business of leadership and entrepreneurship, as I said. So just come out from that job mentality. Do a job, do a secured job, that is fine. But do a business as well. Do that business as a plan B. Because in this pandemic situation, we don't know which job will be left for us, or when we have to quit from that job, or when we get fired from that job. We don't know. So job has a full form. JOB, job. Job has a full form. Just obey the boss. Job, job. Job means just obey the boss. So, whenever you are following your boss, that is fine, no problem. You're following your boss, you're following your mentor, you're following your leader, that is fine. But doing a job from 8 to 5 p.m. daily, but what will be the consequences or what will be the situation? Like, you are right now 27 or 28 of age. You are at the age of 27 or 28 right now. You have the energy, you have the skills, you have the mindset, you have the eyesight power, you have everything. But what will be the situation at the age of 60 or 70? So you have to be a dependent on your kids, or you have to be dependent on your provident fund or any insurances or any mediclaim or something. So working for a active income, that is fine. Active income means I am working in a company and that company is going to pay me at the end of the month. That is a active income. But if you are working for active income, so you have to work for a passive income as well. So that passive income will help you at the age of 50 or 52 or at the age of 60. So this is the thing. So friends, you have to work for active income as well as passive income. So even though if you will be not on this earth, if you will be not alive on this planet, then also that passive income will work for your family, for your kids, and for your parents as well. So this is the value of network marketing. This is the value of multi-level marketing. You can really grow rich from this field. You can develop yourself, you can develop your country, you can develop your mindset skills, you can develop the mindset of the country. This is the power of this network marketing business. Getting my point? So after this, as I said, work for new generation, work for new India, acquire the business mindset. So we have to work for a new India, new generation. The coming generation is very, very, very Wi-Fi type of technology. So everyone having the phone in their hands, everyone is having Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, social media, everywhere. But if you are using that social media or that internet in the terms of any bad or negative thing, then definitely your time will be get waste. But if you are using that Facebook, that Instagram, or that LinkedIn, or that YouTube in a very serious manner, or you can make money from it, or if you are making any source of earning, or if you are generating any source of earning, or if you are creating a revenue from those platforms, then it is a very nice thing. But if you are doing nothing, just chit chatting with your friends and just doing a time waste on Facebook or YouTube or whatever it is, Netflix, and definitely you can't survive anymore in 2025 or 2030. So in coming few years, the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp will be the powerful tool. And you should know the knowledge, and you should have the knowledge of all these platforms, how to use it in a well way, how to use it in a legal way, how to use it for generating the revenue. This is a very important thing. I hope you are understanding this point which I want to tell you. So friends, after this I would like to tell you about the future of MLM in India. So we have Federation of Direct Selling Association with us, we have Indian Direct Selling Association with us, we have like 30 to 35 rules and regulations of network marketing. So network marketing or multi-level marketing or direct selling, all these terms are same. So it's a company, it's an organization who is working for us, and so that we can grow rich, so that we can make our family smart, or we can make our family developed, or we can give a financial freedom to our family, we can give a financial security to our family. Because Job has nothing to do with the security, because if you are doing a job, so you are doing a job for 30 days and you are getting paid by that company, right? So whenever you will quit that job will not going to pay you a huge amount like 30 lakh or 50 lakh or 60 lakh rupees. But in network marketing thing, you will get 50 lakh, 60 lakh, 70 lakh rupees, as well as if you are not on this earth, if you get died, but still your family will get 50 lakh, 60 lakh, 70 lakh rupees. So this is the power of network marketing. Like in job, if I am doing a job for any XYZ company, so I am doing the job for that company for 6 years, that company will paid me for 6 years. But after that 6 years, that company will not taking care of me or my family. But in network marketing, if I have worked for only 2 years or 3 years in network marketing company, and then I have quit that company, or in by chance if I get accidented, I have met with accident and I get died, but still that company will pay the huge amount to my family or to my wife or to my kids or to my parents or mother, father. So this is the benefit of this business. So as I said, India is a country, and the population of India is right now currently it's having 135 crore, more than 135 crore person are there. So in this country, where the person is taking birth like in 3 minutes, 9,900 babies are taking birth. So in this country, so we having more and more people and more team and group and sizes. So we have to join all those people, and we have to make them clear that why we have to do this business, why we have to start this business, and just we have to make them clear, and we have to start this. See, friends, all these things are related to network marketing, but I am not telling you the thing what we have to do this, what we have to do in this network marketing, and what are the steps we have to do this network, and what are the steps we have to follow in this network marketing. In this first part of this video, I'm only going to tell you the what are the values and what are the ethics of network marketing. So value is simple, that just join me. I will create your life. I will work for your family. I will take care of your family. I will take care of your career. I will take care of your mother, father, or anyone. And I will work for your career. I will work for your success. And I will work for you. And this is the value of this network marketing. And we all can create a new India. We can create a revolution in India. And the very important thing, we can grow India in a very nice thing in the terms of economical development or mental development or business mindset development. So we have to come out from that job mentality to a business mentality and business mindset. So this is the value, and these are the things why we have to join network marketing. These all things you should know. I am telling you again and again, network marketing business is not a business of selling products, not a business for making people fool, or this is not a business of making person join and joining, making a too much joining. This business is not of doing these all things. This business is only about emotions, about friendship, about relationships, about bonding, about development of mindset, about getting the knowledge of financial development. These are the things. You have to learn all the algorithm of this business. And as I said, in India, we have a bright future in network marketing. So after 2016, Federation of Direct Selling Association has come up with many rules and regulations and guidelines. So we have to follow all those guidelines. We should know all these guidelines, and then we have to work on it. And in recent days, I have read somewhere one university is there, I think in Uttarakhand or somewhere. or Delhi University is there. So Delhi University and that Shulagiri University or some university is there in Uttarakhand. So they have introduced a PGD in network marketing. So postgraduate diploma in direct selling. So it's a PGDDS, post graduation diploma in direct selling. So they are taking a huge amount of 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees for that course. So just think wisely and think twicely that Indian government is also promoting this direct selling stuff. So that's why Delhi University and that Uttarakhand University, they are come up with the post graduation diploma of this direct selling or network marketing thing. So after some years, after few years, people will come up with that certificate and diploma certificate, and then they have to join, and then they will get a chance to join this network marketing. Are you getting my point? So this will gonna to be insane. There's gonna to be very much far better thinking from this field. So this business has a very nice future in India, and people are negative because our father or our ancestors, they have not come up with the network marketing stuff. They don't know about the network marketing. They only know about the job. So that's why we are also doing a job. They knows about Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Coast Guard, or banking sector job, or customer care job. So that's why we are also doing job. But they don't know about network marketing because network marketing is a very new concept. Network marketing has been introduced by Amway. So Amway is a mother company or a father company of network marketing. So with the rise of Amway, it's an US based company. It's a direct selling company. It's a network marketing company, but it is a brand. It's a 70 or 80 years old company. So that is a company has been introduced by this network marketing, or network marketing has been introduced by that company, Amway. So from that, idea has been launched. So network marketing is not so old. So that's why our parents are not helping us, our parents are not supporting us to do this business. So but if we are serious for this business, then we can do a very nice thing, or we can boom up in this business. So network marketing future is very good in this India. And after that, I would like to say that, so these are the points we can share with the people, and we can tell them that in network marketing or from network marketing, your family, future, financial security you can get from this field. So before doing network marketing, I was a student. So with the student life, I have completed my education from Meerut, and then afterwards I have joined a e-commerce company. I am working over there as a trainer. With that, simultaneously I am doing this business. So network marketing is a very nice business because from this field we can know very we can learn many languages, we can learn many things, we can learn how to do friendship, we can learn how to manage teams, we can learn what are the products we can give to the people, we can give new life to the person, or we can change the mindset of a person from a poor mindset to a rich mindset. So everything is depends upon your software. So if you are chanting many mantras, or if you are a very fond of a god lover, then it's all about software. If you are a software engineer, then it's all about your mental software. If you are a cricketer, then it's all about your mind software. That's why you are a cricketer. If you are a good singer, then it's all about your mindset and aims and goals. And if you are a motivator like Sandeep Maheshwari or Dr. Vivek Bindra, and definitely it's all about your mindset and goals and dreams. Even I am also want to become a motivator. Even I am also I also want to become a very nice catcher. So friends, from network marketing we can get many things. all these things which I have told in this video, just these are the things we should know, and these are the things that is values of network marketing, ethics of network marketing, and this is the video I have created for you. And the total video which I have created for you, this is all about value of network marketing, ethics of network marketing, and what is the emotion of network marketing. Why should we have to join network marketing urgently? I hope you will like this video. So friends, it's all about network marketing for till now. I hope you like this video, and just share this video to everyone, to your every teammates, and I hope you'll subscribe our channel AWPL School. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe it and share this video to many and too many people or friends, so that they can do this network marketing business with full emotions, not for the joining, not for the sale, or not for the sake of any another thing. This business is pure business. This business is all about mentorship, leadership, and entrepreneurship. So thank you. This is Rishi signing off. Thank you. Wish you all the best, and Jai Hind, Go Diamond. Thank you.